Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Zeke, and today I will be showing you how to make a simple 10-line snowflake using Tinkercad's code blocks. If you like this project and would like to see more like it, a playlist will be on screen now. Either way, let's begin. The first thing that we will do when we log into Tinkercad is go to our designs, and we will create a new code blocks design. Once we log in, we will change the name of our snowflake to something that will be easy for us to find in the future. I'm just going to name mine Simple Snowflake. Now we can begin making our snowflake. The first thing that we'll do is go over to the blue Shapes tab, and we'll scroll down until we find this yellow star. We'll drag it in. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see better. And I'll first change the color of the star. I'll change the color of mine, this light blue, and then I'll click on this little arrow here to open up these options. I'm going to change the sides of the star to 6 and the radius of the star to 40. I'll also change the height of the star to 2. After that, I'll go back and drag in another star. This star I'm going to change into a hole. I'll again click this little arrow. I'll change the sides of the star to 6 and the radius of the star to 35. After that, I'll go to the purple Modify tab and I'll drag in a Create Group command. If I press play, we can see our work so far. We added that initial blue star and then we remove the center of it. We'll go back to the blue Shapes tab. We'll go down until we find a star and drag it in. This time I'll change the color of our star to white. I'll click on that little arrow. I'm going to change the sides of our star to 6 again, and I'm going to change the height to 2. After that, I'll go back to the purple Modify tab, drag in a Rotate command, and we're going to rotate around the Z axis by 90 degrees. If we press play again, we can see our work. We are now halfway done with making our simple star. The next thing that we'll do is go back to the blue Shapes tab, drag in a box. I'll change the color of this box to that light blue, and I'll click on that arrow to change some of the dimensions of our box. I'm going to change the width to 71, the length to 3, and the height to 2. I'll go to the purple Modify tab now and drag in a Create Group tab. I want to use the multicolor option so that everything is the colors that everything remains the colors that I've set them. Pressing play shows us what we've done so far. Now, we could copy and rotate our star several times in order to complete our snowflake, but there is an easier way. If we go to the orange Control tab and we drag in a Repeat command, we can then go back to the purple Modify tab and drag in a Copy command inside, and then drag in a Rotate command underneath it. We'll set it to rotate around the Z axis, and we'll rotate by 60 degrees. If we set the Repeat command to repeat 2 times and press play, we'll see that we've finished our snowflake. You can now print it out and hang it on a Christmas tree or use it as a wall decoration. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be putting out some more videos later with more complicated stars and snowflakes. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Also, if you'd like, feel free to try and experiment on your own and make your own snowflakes, adding stars, polygons, or other shapes, and then rotating them is a great and simple way to make some cool and interesting designs. Either way, thanks for watching and have a great day.